Higher education IT teams onboard thousands of student devices every autumn. Manual certificate installation does not scale, and captive portals generate high help desk ticket volumes. SCEP combined with 802.1x authentication automates certificate delivery and enforces secure network access without manual intervention. SCEP is a protocol that automates the issuance of digital certificates to network devices without manual IT intervention. 802.1x is an IEE standard for port-based network access control, providing an authentication mechanism to devices. EAP-TLS is an authentication method requiring both the client and the server to prove their identity via digital certificates. SCEP automates the handshake, but 802.1x enforces the door. SCEP is only the delivery mechanism for the certificate. EAP-TLS is the protocol that actually uses that certificate to grant network access. Never hide the Hotspot 2.0 SSID. A hidden SSID prevents the automatic network discovery that makes Passpoint work. The SSID must be broadcast for devices to silently match their installed profile. Certificates fix the MAC randomization problem. Because modern operating systems rotate MAC addresses, traditional tracking breaks. A SCEP-issued certificate provides a stable, cryptographically secure identifier for the device. Read the full guide at purple.ai